Very good morning, children. Today we are going to complete our workbook in page number 28 of 6th standard. Now let us see section A, children, reading comprehension. Questions numbers 1 to 12. Now let us read the following passage. Once upon a time, in a very thick forest, there lived many animals, birds, snakes, and insects. They all lived together happily. They roamed about in jungle and played together in the open fields without any fear. The peacocks were very proud of their dances, but admired the melodious songs of the cuckoos. The elephants enjoyed watching the fish swimming in the pool. The pythons, which were blessed with long bodies, spoke well of the fine fur the flat-footed rabbits. The tiny ants, which were always busy, tickled the dark buffaloes. This is the first paragraph, children. Let us see what is there in the second paragraph. They often held musical evenings in the large open field. Who often held musical evenings? All the creatures or all the animals in the forest have held the musical evenings in the large open field. The elephant and the deer danced, the mynas and the parrots sang, the tigers and the bear exhibited gymnastics. They called the moon and his friends, the stars, to be the guest of honor and at their musical evenings. So this is a passage which is given in your workbooks. Now let us see what are the questions given under the passage. All the creatures held. So what did all the creatures held in the evenings, children? They have held musical evenings. So what are the options given here? Meetings, feasts, musical evenings, competitions. So what is the correct answer? C is the correct answer. So you need to write in this blank musical evenings and you have to tick the C option, and in the bracket you need to write C. Let us go to the second question. The creatures invited the moon and the stars. So why did they invite? As a guest of honor, they have invited them, isn't it? So here in the options, the moon, other animals, friends, moon and stars were the given options. So what is the right answer? The moon and the stars were invited by all the creatures. So all of you tick the D option and write the moon and stars. Now let us go to the next page, children. Here all of you look page number 29. All the creatures in the forest lived sorrowfully, happily, in fear, safely. So what will be the correct answer, children, for this? All the creatures in the forest lived happily. So your option B is the right one. You need to tick B and write happily there. The peacocks admired the songs of cuckoos, parrots, mynas, birds. So when you read the paragraph, you have found that peacocks admired the songs of cuckoos. So which option is correct? A option is correct. So you need to tick the A option, and here you can write C-U-C-K-O-O-S, cuckoos. Here in bracket you need to write A as the correct answer. Now let us see the next question. The pythons praised the birds, fur of rabbits, songs, fishes swimming in water. Which option is correct? The pythons praised the flat-footed rabbit's fur. It is given in the passage, isn't it? So where is that option? Fur of the rabbits. C is the right answer. Now all of you tick C as the right answer, and here you can write fur of the rabbits. So the pythons praised the fur of the rabbits. Here in the bracket you can write C option in your workbook. Now let us go for the question and answers. We need to answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. It is given. How were the creatures in the forest? How are the creatures in the forest? Let us look here, children. Once upon a time in a very thick forest, there lived many animals, birds, snakes and insects. They all lived together happily is given. So, see, they roamed about in the jungle, played together in the open fields without any fear. Here, how are the creatures in the forest? They were very happy living together in the forest, isn't it? So, how you are going to write the answers? All the creatures were living together happily in the forest. So, another sentences are also there here. They roamed about the jungle. And played together in the open field. Without any fear. So, how are all the animals in the jungle means you need to write the answer like this. You need to present the answer like this. All the creatures were living together happily in the forest. They roamed about in the jungle and played together in the open fields without any fear. Now, let us see here what did the small ants do. So, what did the small ants do, children? So, in the paragraph, the tiny ants which were always busy tickled the dark buffaloes is given in the paragraph, isn't it? So, here what is the question they are asking? What did the small ants do? The small ants tickled the T-I-C-K-L-E-D, tickled the dark buffaloes. Okay, children? Very simple answer. What did the tiger and bear do? So, what did the tiger and the bear do, children? The tiger and the bear exhibited gymnastics, isn't it? So, you need to write the answer. The tiger and the bear exhibited. What is the spelling of exhibited? E-X-B-H-I E-X-H-I-B-I-T-D, exhibited gymnastics, G-Y-M-N-A-S-T-I-C-S, gymnastics. So, what is the answer for your question? The tiger and the bear exhibited gymnastics. What did they do in the forest? Who is they here, children? They means all the creatures. Same answer. In the first answer you have written, no, children? They roamed about in the jungle. Okay. See. They roamed about the jungle or forest, you can write. And played together in the open fields without any fear. Okay, this is the answer for your fourth question. What did they do in the forest? They roamed about in the jungle. R-O-A-M-E-D, roamed. They roamed about the jungle and played together in the open fields without any fear. What did elephants do? So, you need to write what did the elephants do in the forest. The elephants and the deers danced. And the elephants also enjoyed watching the fish swimming in the pool is given. So, what is the answer we are going to write? The elephants enjoyed watching the fish swimming in the pool. Understood? This completes your first passage. Now let us go for the second passage, children, in page number 29. Let us read the passage. One day a jackal entered the forest. Who entered the forest, children? One day a jackal entered the forest. He was dirty, dangerous and very cunning too. So how was the jackal, children? He was dirty, he was dangerous and he was very cunning too. He told the elephants, "You are the biggest animals in the forest. Why do you want to play with the squirrels and rabbits?" He poisoned the minds of peacocks, saying that you are the loveliest birds in the forest. Why do you want to praise the mynas? The jackal then approached the deer and whispered that the tiger was waiting for a chance to kill them. So this is the paragraph. Let us read this paragraph once again. One day a jackal entered the forest. He was dirty, dangerous and very cunning too. He told the elephants, "You are the biggest animals in the forest. Why do you want to play with the squirrels and rabbits?" See how he is poisoning the animals in the forest. He is saying, "Elephants, you are very big animals. Why you want to play with small squirrels and rabbits?" He poisoned the minds of peacock, saying that you are the loveliest bird in the forest. Why do you want to praise the mynas? Why you are praising the mynas when you are the loveliest birds in the forest? He is saying. The jackal then approached the deer and whispered that tiger was waiting for a chance to kill them. So these are the words which poisoned. He used for poisoning the animals, children. Now let us turn the page and see the question answers which are given here, children. Yes. Now let us see here. Next paragraph we need to read. Gradually all the animals began suspecting one another. Earlier they had living together, slept together and roamed around the forest together. Now they started to put boundaries and build fences around their properties. They moved about individually with their own group. See, children, after the poisoning of this jackal, totally it has changed the behavior of all the animals in the forest. They started suspecting each other and they started putting boundaries and fences around their houses and properties, and with their own groups only they were roaming. Earlier it was not like that, isn't it? They moved about individually in their own group. Now it was easy for the jackal. Why jackal did all these things? See the reason why he has done, why he has poisoned the minds of animals. Now it was very easy for the jackal to hunt the smaller animals and the birds, and when smaller ones cried out for help, no one came to help them. One by one, the little ones disappeared. The forest slept as the animals were afraid. There were no more musical evenings. The moon was sad, he cried. So let us see here, children. The animals began to dash after the jackal came. roam in the jungle? After the jackal entered the jungle, did the animals roam in the jungle, children? No. Hold the meetings? Did they hold the meetings? No. They lived happily together? No. They were suspecting each other, isn't it? So, suspect one another. So, animals began to suspect one another after the jackal came. Which option is right? D option is right. So, in the bracket, you are going to write D, and here you need to write suspect one another. S-U-S-P-E-C-T, suspect. O-N-E-1, A-N-O-T-H-E-R, another. So, animals began to suspect one another after the jackal came. Now, let us see the second question. The loveliest bird according to the jackal is. So, when we read the paragraph, whom did he say, children? Peacocks, isn't it? See here options what they have given. Mynas, parrots, peacocks, cuckoos. He spoke to the elephants first. Next he spoke to the peacocks, isn't it? So your option is C, peacock. All of you write over here, peacock. And in the bracket you are going to write C is the right answer. Is it clear, children? See here, first one D you have written and second one C. Now let us see here what is the third question. The jackal told the elephants to play with the squirrels. See the second option, to play with the rabbits, to play with the tigers, not to play with the squirrels and rabbits. Yes or no? In the first passage you have seen that you are the biggest animals in the forest. Why you are playing with the tiny creatures like squirrels and rabbits? It said, isn't it? So D option is the right one. All of you tick D and write over here in the bracket D as the correct answer. Here if space is there, you can write the jackal told the elephants not to play with the squirrels and you can write it down, rabbits. Is it clear, children? Now let us go to the fourth one. The moon was happy, sad, planning, alert. So which one is, see the last sentence here. The moon was sad. He was not happy. The moon was feeling sad. Right here, S-A-D, sad. So you need to tick the B option and in the bracket you need to write B. Hunting small animals was dash for the jackal after it poisoned the minds of all the creatures. So if you see here, now it was easy for the jackal to hunt the small animals and birds. Here what options are given? Difficult. It was difficult for the jackal. It was easy for the jackal. It was safe for the jackal. It was harmful for the jackal. Which option was correct, children? If you see the paragraph, easy is the right answer. So, hunting small animals was easy after poisoning the animals. Understood? So, you need to tick the B option and write in the bracket B. Now, let us see the question answers given here in this passage. Yes. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. So, what did it do? Who is it here, children? Jackal. So, the jackal poisoned P-O-I-S-O-N-E-D, poisoned the minds of. What did the jackal do? The jackal poisoned the minds of all the animals. In the bracket you write creatures in the forest. Okay. Now let us see the second one, children. Who entered newly in the forest? Who entered newly in the forest? A jackal entered newly. A jackal entered newly in the forest. Why was it easy for the jackal to hunt the small animals? Why it was very easy for the jackal to hunt the animals? Now let us write here. All the animals in the forest, all the animals in the forest were suspecting each other. And started moving individually. So it was easy for the jackal. So it was very easy for the jackal to hunt the smaller animals. Okay, in this way neatly you need to complete your workbooks. Now let us see the next question given in the next page. What was the result? As a result, you need to write. As a result, what was the result, children? As a result, all the small animals started disappearing. Yes or no? It started killing the small animals. One by one, all the small creatures were disappearing. So as a result, all the small animals started disappearing. One by one, started disappearing one by one in the forest or from the forest. Also you can write from the forest. Okay children, now let us see the next question. What did it tell the deer? So the jackal tell becomes told. The jackal told the deer that the tiger was waiting for a chance to kill it. So what did the jackal tell the deer, children? The jackal told the deer that the tiger was waiting for a chance to kill it. Okay, now let us see the third passage, children. Read the following. But the jackal was very angry with the sadhu. What the sadhu was doing? He did not want the animals to live in peace and harmony. So he was waiting for an opportunity to attack the sadhu. So let us read once again the passage. But the jackal was very angry with what the sadhu was doing. He did not want the animals to live in peace and harmony. So he was waiting for an opportunity to attack the sadhu. One day, the animals, insects, and birds held an emergency meeting. They unanimously decided to approach the sadhu and pleaded with him to kill the jackal. The sadhu said, "I will not kill the jackal, but help you in a different way." So what did the sadhu reply? All the animals decided to have an emergency meeting, and they all went near the sadhu and said their problems. And the sadhu said that, no, I will not kill the jackal, but I will definitely help you out in a very different way. When the sun went to sleep means when the sun has set. What happens when the sun sets, children? It will be evening, isn't it? So the jackal came to the house of hens to take a few of them for his supper, for his dinner. The sadhu, who had been lodging nearby, came out of the house and spoke to the jackal. "Take me today for your meal." So sadhu himself offered himself as a meal to the jackal. He doesn't want the other creatures to be killed by the jackal. So what did sadhu do? He offered himself as a meal to the jackal. The jackal, who had been waiting for the opportunity, dragged the sadhu and ran into the jungle. He took the sadhu to a lonely place, tore him into pieces and ate him up. See how cunning the jackal is, children. Sadhu wanted to save other animals, but this jackal who was waiting to kill the sadhu got an opportunity. He dragged the sadhu into the jungle. He took him to a lonely place. He killed the jackal and he ate him up. He killed the sadhu. Okay, jackal killed the sadhu. He tore him into pieces and he has eaten the sadhu. Who has eaten the sadhu? The jackal has eaten the sadhu. Now, answer the following questions. Each question has 4 choices. Choose the correct answer and write A, B, C or D. The jackal was very angry with the moon, the sadhu, an elephant, the tigers. In the first only we have seen, no children, the jackal was very angry with the sadhu. So the jackal was very angry with the sadhu. B option is right. All of you tick B here and write the sadhu. Okay children, here you need to write B in the bracket. Here bracket is given, no? You need to write B in the bracket. Okay children, now let us see here. All the creatures decided to fight the jackal, live happily, hold a meeting, meet the sadhu. So, see here, they have held an emergency meeting and they unanimously decided to approach the sadhu. So, they wanted to meet the sadhu. What is the option? D is the right answer. You need to write in the bracket D and meet the sadhu. Here, you need to write meet the sadhu. Now, the jackal was waiting for a chance to hunt the smaller animals, small ants, attack the sadhu or eat the sadhu. So here, see here children, so he was waiting for an opportunity to attack the sadhu. So which option is correct here? Hunt the smaller animals, small hens, attack the sadhu or eat the sadhu? Attack the sadhu. All of you write here, attack the sadhu. So which option is correct here? B option is correct. So first one is B, second one is D and the third one is B again children. You need to write the answer, tick the answer and then you have to write it in the bracket. Is it clear everyone? Now let us go for the next one. The sadhu offered dash to the jackal. Some hens, some birds, the peacock or himself. So sadhu has offered himself as a meal, isn't it? So you write here himself. So option D is the right one and here in the bracket you are going to write D. Okay children, now let us see the last one in choose the correct answers. The jackal ate the sadhu in the jungle, in the presence of all the creatures, in a lonely place or in a valley. So where did the jackal eat the sadhu? In a lonely place, isn't it? He took the sadhu to a lonely place, tore him into pieces and ate him is given here. So which option is right? B option is right. You are going to write here a lonely place. And you have to write it in the bracket B. Okay children, now this completes your choose the correct answers. Now let us see the question and answers. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. So what was the reply of the sadhu? What did the sadhu reply to the people, children? Sadhu replied to all the animals. Let us write, he replied to all the creatures. What did all the creatures say? To kill the jackal. They requested sadhu to kill the jackal. But what did he say? I am not going to kill the jackal, but I am going to help you out in a very different way, isn't it? Now let us write the answer. What was the reply of sadhu? Sadhu replied to all the animals that he was not going to kill the jackal. Instead he was going to help them all in a different way. Let us see the answer once again. What was the reply of the sadhu? Sadhu replied to all the animals that he was not going to kill the jackal. Instead, he was going to help them all in a different way. Understood, children? Now all of you write this answer very neatly in your workbooks. Okay? Now let us turn back our page. Another questions are given. Wow. What did the creatures do? They held an emergency meeting, isn't it, children? So, what did the creatures do? All the creatures held an emergency meeting and decided to approach the sadhu Okay, you can also write they also pleaded the sadhu to kill the jackal. Okay, let us read the answer once again. All the creatures held an emergency meeting and decided to approach the sadhu first, and they also pleaded the sadhu to kill the jackal. Very simple answer. Now next one, what was the plan of the jackal? What was the plan? Jackal's plan was, what was his plan? Jackal's plan was to kill the sadhu. sadhu, so that he can easily eat all animals. Okay. Okay. See here. Jackal's plan was to kill the sadhu so that he can easily eat all the animals in the forest. See here, children. Here. What did the creatures decide? The creatures decided to approach the sadhu and plead him to kill the jackal. Once again, the same question has been asked in a different way. So, what did the creatures decide? All the creatures in the forest decided, all the creatures decided to approach, approach, approach the sadhu and plead him to kill the jackal. Understood, kids? Okay, now let us see the 10th question. Why was the jackal angry with the sadhu? Why was the jackal angry with the sadhu, children? The jackal was very angry with the sadhu because he was trying to make all the animals united again. So let us write this wonderful answer. The jackal was very angry with the sadhu because he was trying to make all the animals united again. So we have completed 3 passages in the workbook, children. So write neatly. Okay, you have to listen to the explanation also, and you need to write the workbook also very neatly. Understood, children? So try to complete your workbook on time so that your corrections may also complete. You need to, after completing 1 unit, you need to submit your books in your school premises. So successfully we have completed 3 passages given in your workbook, page number 28, 29 and 30. Kindly complete your workbooks on time. Okay, children? Thank you.